Why organizing digital notes matters.
Efficient digital note management saves time, reduces stress, and boosts productivity. Well-organized notes allow for quick retrieval of important information and make it easier to track projects or learn new topics. Without a structure, searching can become frustrating. Adopting the right strategies helps you maintain clarity in your workflow and ensures your notes remain valuable tools, not clutter.
Choose the right note-taking app.
Selecting an app that fits your workflow is essential. Popular choices include Evernote, OneNote, Notion, and Google Keep, each offering different strengths like categorization, tagging, and search. Look for features like cloud syncing, multi-device access, and customizable organization systems. Take time to explore a few options before settling on one that meets your needs for both personal and professional use.
Create a consistent organization system.
Consistency makes your notes easy to find and use. Set up folders, notebooks, or categories that mirror your projects, topics, or priorities. Use a clear naming convention for notes, such as Meeting 2024-0601 or Biology Chapter 3. This habit makes sorting and future retrieval smooth. Regularly review your system to ensure it grows with your needs.
Leverage tags and keywords.
Tags and keywords offer flexible ways to organize notes. Unlike folders, which create a strict hierarchy, tags let you group notes across topics and projects. For example, tagging notes with urgent, ideas, or specific class names enables fast filtering. Make tagging part of your note-taking habit to maximize discoverability and reduce hunting for information later.
Schedule regular reviews and cleanups.
Routine maintenance keeps your notes efficient and relevant. Set aside time, monthly or quarterly, to review and declutter. Archive notes you no longer need, merge duplicates, and update your organizational system as priorities change. A clean digital space helps maintain focus, saves storage space, and ensures you always have the most useful information at your fingertips.